Have you ever pulled into an RV park with your Tiffin and after driving for several hours and seen this? The dreaded flashing fault light. And of course with that, the slides won't go out. You can see this, nothing. It's an easy fix. We're going to show you how to do it right now. So the first time this happened to us, we kind of went into a panic and I jumped onto all kinds of RV forums and tried to figure out what happened. It's actually really quite simple.
Okay, so what happens is the controller, which is back in here in this unit, it gets hot in this spot when we travel for a long time and it's a hot day. So what we have to do is, you see there's a RET for retract and an EXT for extend. Since we want to extend, I just push that button and it starts to extend.
And I'm going to get out of the way, and there it comes. Super easy. It'll do the big slide, and the little slide came out too as soon as the big one was done. So super easy fix. Yep. I'm back inside now. You can see there's Phoebe. Yep. And both the slides are out. And let's see, is it still? And it's still blinking that, but it'll cool off and it will be just fine. So we're gonna shut everything down now and we're all good to go.
2 hours later.
You can see that G6 fault warning is gone. The RV is cooled down and everything's fine.
So in addition to affecting our ability to extend and retract the slides, it also affects the ability to turn on and off the water pump. So we pull into a site and I hook up the water to the campground water, and then I want to turn the water pump off. And today I couldn't do that. It just stayed on.
Right. And about that same time, I came out and said, well, the slides won't go out. So those are the two things that generally...
Yeah, and now that it's cooled off, right, I can turn the water pump off.
Absolutely.
Without any problem. And
we don't know whether this affects anybody else's RVs. This is a Tiffin thing for sure.
Yeah. And we've heard from other people that
right,
they have problems with it.
Right, exactly. And so, but it's a really easy fix. And it really only happens on really hot days when we've driven more than 2 hours. Otherwise, it never happens. So, but it's super easy to fix and no cause for panic.
The first time that it happened, we were just totally panicked. We can't get our slides out.
Exactly. And we didn't know just to push those two buttons. And so, and also if we've had the experience where we've gotten everything set up, extended the slides using the buttons, and then we had to move. So we had to push them back in. So it works both ways. You can extend them or you can retract them. Yeah. Exactly. And so it'll take a couple of hours to cool down, but it'll happen. So that's going to do it for this week. If you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button.
And if you like this video, give us a thumbs up and ring the bell to get notified.
You bet. Leave us a comment if this has ever happened to you. We'd love to hear more from you, and we'd love to have you follow our journey. So you take care.
Bye.